subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has launched its new smartphone under Note 10 lineup in India called Redmi Note 10T with 5G support. And it is actually a rebranded version of the earlier launched Redmi Note 10 5G smartphone. Talking about the specifications, the Redmi Note 10T features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 90Hz adaptive refresh rate and 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64 or 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage that is expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Redmi Note 10T supports a triple camera setup on the rear and a unique rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 48MP main camera with f1.79 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 8MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support, and the user will get 22.5W charger inside the box. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on MIUI 12 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it includes Game Turbo 3.0 feature for better gaming experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.81 by 75.35 by 8.92mm and it weighs around 190 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Redmi Note 10T has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 13,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 120GB storage model is priced at 15,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from July 26th. Chromium white, graphite black, metallic blue, and mint green color options. So what do you guys think of this Redmi Note 10T 5G phone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.